that's our best investor right there is our customer because they know our product, they love our product, they come back for our product. Um,
Hmm.
so there's that. We raised, I think it was 284,000 at that time. And then as for, on the current safe note that we're raising, we have private equity, our anchor investor from Alternative Wealth Partners. And then we also have some customers on our safe note. So again, angel investors. We have a very small check from VC right now. We're talking to everybody, at the same time. But I am finding it really is more about the mission. It's like our social impact that people are investing in, and so like the people are actually writing the checks. It hasn't been a question of our inventory because the inventory we're moving so quickly and always selling out of. It's really our mission and where they see, on board with our vision of the future.